Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your American Express account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type www.americanexpress.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of American Express. You can scroll down and look at all the features provided, but right now we only want to log in. On the navbar at the very top, you will find something like login. Simply click on it. You will then be redirected to this page that is called Login to My Account. Simply enter your credentials right here, that is your user ID and password. After doing that, select your account type. Click on this drop down button right here. Lots of account type available, simply select the one you have. And in case you forgot your user ID or password, click on this button right here that says Forgot User ID or Password. Simply click on it and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Now let's enter our credentials. Once everything's okay, hit on this login button right here, and then you will be directed to your American Express account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log in to American Express. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.